So hi, welcome to this workshop of on effective digital marketing strategies for lead generation organized by Kairos Educate. The workshop is just done and we had about 15-16 people coming in. I have with me Mr. Premanshu, who is the founder of Sunny's World here. Hi Premanshu.
Hi.
How did you feel the workshop was?
Oh, it was amazing. It was a good experience.
It was a good experience?
Very good experience.
What did you really learn today?
One thing I learned today, basic thing which I learned today is that I am not using digital media the way I should.
Okay.
Especially the person from my background should. Okay. And the second thing I learned today was there are lots of people who are like me. I mean, there are lots of people who don't use social media effectively as they should.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So this is what it was. One of the key takeaways that we did today from this workshop was that when there is so much clutter that is happening on digital media space, what is important for you as a business owner is that you need to listen in to all the talking that people are doing. When many people are talking, there is no point in you adding to the commotion itself. It's like adding to the traffic jam, as our facilitator was telling earlier today. So that was one of the good learnings.
Obviously, and it was one of them. I mean, I should appreciate the speaker. Chetan did what he actually did. He gave real life examples, offline examples, the things that we do online, and it was very insightful. I mean, the traffic jam example surely strikes in. Yeah, if you are going to the same way which everybody is going, you are going to end up in a traffic jam. That's how life is,
isn't it?
And listening definitely a very good takeaway. And we do listen, we do often listen passively. We do listen to our clients, what they're talking about, but we don't process the data. Now what insight that we are taking from this particular workshop is that we should process what we are listening. And we should post and behave accordingly. Then we should behave what our client, we should talk about what our audience wants to listen. That is amazing.
So Premanshu, you have been running your company Sunny's World, and you also are running Kolhapur World on Facebook, isn't it?
Yes.
Which is quite a famous page. And it keeps on getting the organic likes.
Yes.
We discussed an interesting point today during the workshop, which was about companies who are actually into creating fake Facebook accounts, to generate likes.
Yes.
What do you think about it? Your thoughts on it?
Twofold actually. From a businessman point of view, I'll say it's a game. Okay, and when I look at it as a game, I see every strategy is fair strategy if it's working for me.
That's right.
One thing. But from the other perspective of being an expert, of being an entrepreneur who looks at creating good things, it's harming. And second thing is the so-called fake website people are usually big guys, and those big guys are looked upon as trendsetters. So they are setting a wrong example for small companies, for new ventures entering into social media, digital media. So ultimately it's harming in general to the community itself. Might be, maybe may not be beneficial for the companies doing it. If it is beneficial for them, maybe yes, as a business, if some strategy is working for me, I'll still continue with it. But if I think of a community, which most of the entrepreneurs attending here today do, they don't only think of their own business, they think of community at large. It's hurting the community.
But then tell me something. If you obviously know that these strategies work, being in business for a decade or so now, do you think that just in order to get more likes or get more business, will you indulge in such practices which are essentially fake, because getting fake likes are not really adding to your real consumer base? Would you sacrifice your Sunny World, Sunny's philosophies to just go ahead and only for clients?
Actually no. I mean, as I said even in that discussion when the question was raised. Because from my perspective, I won't do anything online that I won't do offline. If I don't give fake promises to my clients offline, I will not do that online either. If I don't commit false things offline, I will not do online. Putting up a false advertisement is as good as committing something that you're not.
Something which is a crime.
Something which is a crime, and something which is very unethical in real world scenario. People seem to assume that online is different than offline. And online you can do anything and you can get away with it.
Right.
Yes, you can get away with many lots of things,
Right.
but some things stick.
Right.
Especially something that is against ethics surely sticks.
Right.
So no, as a business owner,
Okay.
regardless the strategy might be very rewarding,
Yeah. Yeah.
I will never do something that goes against my philosophy.
Okay.
And I will not indulge in any activity that may harm me in long term perspective.
Right. Right. That's right. So one final question before we move.
Yeah.
What does Sunny's World do?
We are into website designing basically. We started as a design company. And then gradually we have moved into web applications. We are currently into Android application development as well.
Okay.
And we are expanding geographically as well. We are targeting new markets, new people.
Where are you from? Where is the company operating from?
My company is basically located at Kolhapur.
Okay.
It's a small suburb, few hours from here. And currently we are expanding to Pune and to Goa as well.
Okay.
We have a good client base in Goa in fact.
Okay.
Pune also we have started very recently, 6 months. And we have a couple of good clients in Pune as well.
Okay. That's good. Any last signing off words for Kairos?